Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to remove suggested articles from certain website on Chrome on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing you have to do, please open Chrome browser on your device. Okay, and then here you can see many suggested article for you. Well, if you feel uncomfortable with any article sent from certain website, for the example, this website, you can press like this. And then here will be shown some settings. Okay, and then to remove suggest article from this website, you can select this option. Well, and then you'll never accept suggest article from this website. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to remove suggest article from certain website on Chrome on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.